This video explains how to replace a coil in any mini fogging machine. First, you have to remove the ignition wire. Once you remove it, unscrew the two screws on both the sides. And after you unscrew it, hold this pipe and remove the front nozzle. Gently remove the net. Once you remove the net, you have to hold the center nut and remove the side nut gently. Once you remove it, the coil will be removed. There is a small steel ball. You have to be very careful. You have to put this back again. Keep it aside. Now, replace the new coil, putting the steel ball first, then connecting the nut. Hold the center nut first and tighten the other one. And once you tighten this, insert the stainless steel coil, the net, tighten the screws wherever it was initially tightened, and then install the front nozzle. Tighten the front nozzle, connect the ignition wire again, test it if it's working or not, see if the current